and now till the National Education Plan 2020. So we have to focus in all areas, different kind of commissions, and what are the policies they took, and what are the how they revised the committee, and what are the what the government has taken to build up the English language in India. So how the schools were in before the independence and post independence, what are the commissions will be there. So everything will be covered in the examination. And next, teacher empowerment. So meaning interventions for empowerment means professional code of conduct for teachers, teachers motivation, professional development of teachers and teaching organizations, national level, state level organizations for teacher education, maintenance of records, registers in the schools, and different kind of administration will be there in the schools. So definitely it will come. It will be focused on the examination. And next part is that educational concerns in contemporary India, means the environmental education, meaning and scope of environmental education, concepts of sustainable development, role of teacher nowadays, and in the schools the NGO organizations will be focused. So will be focused in the education in schools, and the democracy and the education, equality, quality in education, quality of different kind of opportunities, economic education, meaning and scope, education, human capital, education and human resources development. So everything will be focused. And next, literacy. We all know that Saksharata Bharat Commission, population education, so significance of population education and different kind of policies and programs in India, different kind of approaches to population education, and role of school and teachers, the theme of population education, the family and education, and sustainable development, adolescence education, health education, gender equality, equity and empowerment of women. So everything will be focused. And next is that life skills and different kind of utilization and migration of life skills, inclusive education, conceptual characterization, clarification and definitions, and myths and facts, characteristics, classification types, importance of early identification assessments, planning inclusive education and classroom management, and different kind of areas will be focused in the examination. So next, and we have to go through the next part, and so part 3 is school student examination English. So we have content means here all the textbooks which are related to from 6th class to intermediate 10th class level, and the grammar and the passively focused on the themes of the contents. For example, language elements we can take. So we all know that phonetics, idioms and phrases, writing skills like curriculum weightage, information transfer like letter writing, transformation of sentences, study skills like note making, note taking techniques, and different kind of reference skills, vocabulary, punctuation, grammar. Means we all know that part of speech, types of sentences, articles, prepositions, parts of speech like that will be focused. The degrees of comparison, activation, passive voice. So everything will come under the transformation of sentences. And next we have to, in the examination, they have to focus the literature. So what should be in the literature? The comprehension of different kind of passages, the structure, the syntax, different kind of language functions, the literary objects like literary prose, passage and poem, study and literary forms like that.